Welcome Volleyball Forever. Today we're going to talk about physical education and their volleyball stanchions that they have for class. The first thing you should know is that old school volleyball stanchions are very, very heavy. And what I realized was I went to Hicksville High School and we never played volleyball because basically nobody wanted to touch the volleyball poles. So I'm going to show you exactly what they look like because they weigh about 180 pounds to about 260 pounds. And what they do is they put concrete in the middle of them. So nobody wants to move them. They're beyond dangerous. So I want to show you the new ones that they have. Gopher actually sells them. And I'm going to show you how much better they are and how you can do other games with this net system. So let me show it to you.
I'm comparing old to new with that picture. But if you notice how I have to push everything, and this is exactly, I'm 130 pounds, watch me try to pull this down. I got to put my whole weight into it, it's like a nightmare. And here it is, let me show you.
So what everybody needs to know is that it's very, very heavy to even take them down. And now, I know you're not going to go out and buy some new poles, but even this needs a YouTube on how to pull it back. And because nobody wants to put up the nets, it is annoying, but when you have the kids having so much fun, you really should learn how to do it. So here it is, the cement block, which makes it really heavy, and it also puts the tension back there. Unfortunately, they use a net that's a full-size heavy net, and that's not what we do here. I'm going to change that, and we're going to end up using badminton nets because the court is shorter, because in real world, they can play outdoor volleyball, playing 2-on-2 with a smaller court. And that'll be another video. But I'm going to show you what we have now to bring and introduce physical education volleyball, because you can do so many games with that, even to special ed situations, which I will bring back in the near future. Okay, so let me show you the new poles.
Okay, so here are the new poles. Intentus Light Portable Game Volleyball Standards. They're about 100 pounds. They come with a pole, one screw to put it in, and they come with a quick release. I'm just showing you what it looks like while I was unloading them. I still have more to put together. Now just a reminder, I bought the lighter version, 100 pounds. Each one cost $469.
But the new bottom half to this is actually done very well. So I will give you the product numbers on the bottom, and I will show you in another video on how I put it all together. And they also come with these wonderful clips. So you need to look at that. Okay, and I'm Peruvian, I save everything. So I found these extra clips so that we can keep it on the carabinas and we can keep it on the net itself so it doesn't fray. Okay, Volleyball Forever, I will see you in my next video. Press like and subscribe, and I will see you then.